Yeah, so welcome to class. Fun topic to start off with. Today, guys, we're just really going to do, all I did last class was 4 examples. Why? So, you go to math, Excel, all. Okay, for those that did, like this, everybody else, that means you're on last year's code still. You go ahead and put the student right here. And the estimator agreement and all that stuff, you're okay. I don't know. Might be saying, maybe go up with your fourth son, fourth office, fourth child, or your first off there. I don't know. That's maybe what mine is. Okay, so you already have your login, you already have your password, and you put that access code in on this. You probably use the last one. Okay, so question? Yeah. All right. Is that you just talk that? I didn't hear you say white. You use white YouTube? I tried to use white YouTube. Didn't work. Mine. Wow, it's a lot of yellow. From all the prescriptions when I had my hip replaced. Never could get them back after that. Right. You guys are doing 2-2 today. Okay, onward. Okay, 2-2. So let's start here. Oh, I like it. Let's just start with a hardy. Can we start with a hardy? No, absolutely. You guys will see that this is pretty simple. Why are you doing a whole humming? I blew up though. What? What are we gonna do? We're gonna add it to that. Rack. So, anybody know what keeping up with the Joneses is? Yeah. One up your neighbor or being like your neighbor, right? So, oh, hey, what you doing in there? You know how else is doing? Huh? Good. I heard she next dog. Well, if you find out, we'll let me know. Yes, I'm ready. No, we got like. Ready to have a secret conversation? Okay. Good. What's up? No. There's nothing useful, maybe you'll leave. Maybe it's right? Later, right? But sometimes, or you can go up there, but I don't know if that's what you're doing. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Keeping up with the Joneses. First off, what I'd like you to do is factor all my denominators. Is everything factored? No. So, what I mean by keeping up with the Joneses, I'll tell you what I mean. They're jealous people, right? That's what kind of keeping up with the Joneses mean. That's what fractions are. They're jealous creatures. They want to be exactly the same as everybody else, right? Common denominator, right? Think about this as a boat and a pickup truck. This guy over here is like, I gotta take what the heck? Why do you got a boat? What does he want? A boat. What are we gonna do? He needs an X plus 3 minus 2, don't he? He got a boat, but he don't got the boat. What is he over there? Okay, so what does he want? I don't know what he said, and I'm not. Okay? So now they're all alike. You can't say somebody has more stuff than you, right? You guys agree with that? Okay, so now, this guy, now because they all have the same common denominator, I can just make one dividing y, right? X minus 3, x plus 3 as my denominator. Yes, no, maybe so? Because as long as they all have the same denominator, I can just make it on top. Same thing as like 3/4 minus 1/4 plus 3. I just ignore the bottom and just want the top, right? So are you multiplying? I am going to be multiplying right out of here. So I have 6 plus x plus 1 times x minus 3 is x squared minus 2x minus 3. Any questions right about that? What the heck is that? Was that really your back? Oh, no. Oh. I'm going to say, hold on, Hey, now I have 2 options here. I can distribute this through, and then I have to then I can put the complement with the opposite. That's what I want to do, so I can distribute into one of the binomials. So then I have negative x squared, negative 3x plus 2x, negative x, plus 6. Over here I have all my numbers with them. But I have multiplied all of them, right? Your thumbs never hurt you. My thumbs never hurt. I couldn't even stuff apart. We played 7. And we played 11. And we played I don't know how to do that. No, because we switched. Because remember I switched the sides and I was minus 2 and 3. Does that make sense? We're on the same page now? Okay, let's cancel out. Notice I have negative 3x. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 plus 6 is plus 9. All over. Are we done there? We need to set. Look at the top. Hi! Hi, yeah! Let's get this stuff today. Everybody's walking. Today. What do these guys have in common? Does everybody agree we have the on top? Oh. And then what happens there? These guys get rid of each other. Here's our Edward roll. That's right? These guys take it piece by piece, right? If you take a piece by piece, they're not piece by piece. Okay? Any questions there? Yeah. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 plus 1. So coming up here, that's the 6, right? 1 times negative 3 gives me negative 3. So remember, I distributed that negative into him to make it a positive 2. Positive 2 times positive 3 is positive. Unless I messed up. Did I mess up any more? I make mistakes. Okay. Because everything's so hot.
The awkward silence.
I know. Do you have a haircut on, Joe? I'm sorry I didn't recognize you last week. After school? Well, if it was after school, I always felt really good because this is the first time I've seen you since then. Then one of my goals is try to see what people look like. You know, what people look like in the and he somewhat looks the same as he can. You get haircut. He's still like,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you guys scared me.
I'm gonna let you guys find this on. Ready, set, go.
We're going to have a sit-down lesson here. Yes, no? Thank you.
I have that as well.
Yes, no? Do you guys want me to show you other factoring scales? Like the other way? Here we go. Just to make sure you go, -8. Factors of -8 are 1 and 8 to get me to be 7. Right? 2x squared minus 8x, that's a squared. Plus x minus 4, yeah. Oops. Sometimes I get it going fast. Okay, then you factor by grouping. Shut up. Takes a long time this way. Notice that I pull out the x minus 4, left with 2x plus 1. Poor unfortunate soul. All right. Okay. This might be the whole lesson. I might get all comfy on my lesson today. Get the lazy streak going. Okay. So if we notice there, once again, these guys, what does this side want? He wants the x plus 1, doesn't he? Because he has it right there. So I'm going to times x plus 1. What I do to the top, I got to do to the bottom. The bottom, I say. This Lincoln was an enjoyable time down in the counseling office. Yeah, every time. Who'd you go meet? Miss Davis. This side wants an x minus 4. She's a nice young lady. By the way, guys, I broke 100 on my bowling this past weekend. I haven't broke 100 for many moons. I usually struggle. I got 5 strikes. That's impressive in my book. Then on my third, I swear, I'd always followed up with a 2, and then I'd get a spare. It was horrible. Okay. So then I'm going to distribute him through. Woohoo! Woohoo! Right? Ambry, we on it like Blue Bonnet? We charging like Margin? So I have 2x squared. My saying? Yeah. His margin is Blue Bonnet. Blue Bonnet. Did you know it's a flower? It's the state flower of Texas. I need to go to Texas. I need to go to all 4 states of Texas, though. The South, East Texas, North, West Texas, Texas, and South Texas. I thought that was funny. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, so I'm going to do different on this one. I'm going to just distribute it through. Notice I get x times x, which is x squared. But because this is minus, what is it going to come out to be? Negative x squared. Does everybody understand how I got a negative x squared? Then here, I'm going to go x times negative 4 and x times negative 1. That's negative 5x. But because he's negative, that's a positive 5x, correct? Is everybody there? My man Taylor, you good? We need a strawberry now to get some more special seeds in me. Look at these things. Who's your counselor, young lady? Negative 1 times negative 4 makes it a positive 4 because he's negative. That's a negative 4. Any questions how I did that? 5x, notice I got x times negative 4, which is negative 5x, with a negative x, so that's negative 5x. Does that make sense? But then he's negative here, so therefore a positive 5x. You with me? No problem, just for you. Let me do some Control Z and I am an a-hole, some people tell me. I got an email the other day. Yep, you know you're doing good. Said I was making kids feel dumb. I'm sorry if that's how I'm making you feel. I don't mean to. So x squared, negative 4x, negative x. What's negative 4 minus x? Negative 5x, right? I could distribute him through to be this if I wanted. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Let's do it that way. So negative x squared, negative x times negative x is a negative x squared. Negative x times a positive 4 is a positive 4x. X plus times 1 is another x, so that's 4x plus x. That's 5x. And then notice that's 1 times negative 4, which is negative 4. You with me now, Heather? Thank you, Heather. Zach Litha. That was bad. Okay, here we go. And then I'll stand up. I understand this is bad. Mia's giving me dirty looks. She's like, this is my education, Mr. Roberts. So then we hurry and see that this guy and this guy make a x squared, don't we? This guy and this guy make a positive 6x. And this guy make me a negative 5. All over 2x plus 1. Woo, 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 woo. Hippie hoppy hippie. Yay. Can that top factor? Factors of negative 5 that give me to 6, tell me. 1 and 5 get me to be negative 4, right? Or 4, correct? Because I need to subtract them. Okay. So that doesn't work. All right. Next one. Here we go. Let's just do this guy really quick. What? You want me to show you how? Where did I get what 6? You said this 6 x plus 5x. Oh. Hi. No. Not unless it tells you to, but I don't think it will. So what does the bottoms look like? What are they called? They are difference of squares. Whoever said that, good job. Jazz! Jazz! How was your thriller? Sorry I didn't tell. My wife was being mean. She never watches these, so it's okay. And she said, I don't want to go to the football game. I want to go do something fun. And what did we go do? I watched the football game at home. BYU game, which wasn't very good, but it is what it is. I'm factoring. Meanie head. It's actually better handwriting up here. No? I guess that was a no. Okay. I will know. And my daughter would be like, they're not, right? They're close. Okay. What's another way I could write him? Negative x plus 4. Do you guys agree with that? What's another way I could write him again? Negative parentheses. Now, look what I have. Now my denominator is the same? No, just because it's negative. So I have two options. Option number 1. How would you guys do this? Wouldn't I put that negative and just make this like 1/2 minus 3/4? See how that negative is downstairs? Would you guys agree that this is very similar to what I'm going to be doing right here? Yeah? We see that? Okay. So, what are we looking at today, Carter? Are we on the group chat? Tell Bill we can get back into it. Okay, he said he's struggling. More from him. You could too. You did well. Ben, I believe in you. I believe in you. There's a song I ever put down through. Why not mine? That wouldn't go where I thought it was going. Oh, talking about it. That made me feel great. Capatos, you good? You haven't moved up here. You said you might want it to. I gave you options. Did I not say you could do that though? All right. Okay. You could also move your desk left to right. That's Here we go. I'm not going to distribute through, I'm just going to do it. X minus X. -2 minus a -3.
Wait a minute. Wait. What's that?
Plus a negative plus.
Where's the negative outside
I will show you. Yeah, this was a plus at the beginning. So I made him a negative. With me on that?
Yeah.
You have a headache, Dad? Go grab some water! The next one's kind of important. Let's be very hostile. Last example. Huh? Not necessarily. The time I did have glitter in my beard, I was going to expect my freaking shower to be a mess. It was actually quite easy to clean. Christmas jars, which is our Christmas time fundraiser. I made a glitter beard. It was joyous. Maybe I could show you a picture. I have actually a whole face. I actually have a whole page in here to it for me.
We're done, right?
That's free. Just to me. I know. Yeah. And I had light. Yeah. My real first name?
What's your real first name?
My real name's Blaine.
What does J stand for?
Jared.
Yeah.
Blaine Jared.
I like Blaine.
I never decided I lived by that name my whole life. So I guess there was I guess like I have lots of family members in that. I went by Blaine one year. He didn't pull up. Like I was walking past people and I, hi Blaine, I'm like, I'm like, oh that's me, hi. Yes. I've never been called that. You know what I mean? My grandfather, not myself.
Wait, so when we do the XP,
Oh.
We're having fun, Taylor.
So what is this guy, Taylor? Anybody know it? We can factor him. This is a difference of cubes. Are we studying difference of cubes in this class? Okay, so I'm going to just show you guys the formula. Although wink, wink, hint, hint, you need to know this very much, so I really, really know this. Not that you weren't. Just making sure everybody knows this is big. Difference in sum of cubes. I'm going to start with the sum of cubes. And here's the difference of cubes. Okay, so There she made. That's the sum of cubes.
Oh, yeah, we did that.
This is the difference of cubes. I'm going to show you a trick. Well, it's not really a trick, it's real math. Just a moment. So there's the formulas. Make sure you understand them, know how to apply them. Okay? So we do one really quickly before we get to ours. Let's do a harder one than the one we have. What if I had this? Okay? So what's the cube root of 8x cubed? That would be my a. Does that make sense? What's the cube root of 125? 5. So ladies and gentlemen, my a is 2x, my b is 5. Yes, no, maybe so? So then notice it says a squared, so that's 4x squared. Multiply those and do a positive sign. And then square the left.
But I do want to compare it.
I'm sorry, it has to be 2.
So how about when I do that?
But this is the same thing as 5 cubed, right? Does that make sense? Yeah. Good question. Okay. So let's go back to our other one. So what is x cubed minus 27? X minus 3. You guys agree with that? What does it come out to be? This is usually the part people struggle with. So I'm going to show you where I get it. How many of you guys could get this right here? Do you think? The first little, just getting the A and B, right? Just take the cube root of both numbers, right? Watch what I can do here. I'm going to do synthetic. 3. X squared plus 3x plus 9. If you struggle with it, just go through synthetic with it. Does that make sense? I can show you what plus number. Okay. It'd be a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b. We cannot, you'll never be able to factor it. Never, ever, 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 ever. Nope, yes, that's as far as we're going there, but now we're going to add the factor. Wow, we didn't get any time when we got in this class. We're almost done. My laptop, we had 20 minutes. I know, we had 20 minutes. What does this guy want?
He wants x squared plus.
He wants x squared plus 3x plus 9. I'm going to erase this so I get 2x squared cubed plus 6x squared. What the heck am I doing? Plus 2x. Isn't it? What? Nothing, guys. I messed up and now I'm correcting. Okay, so leave me be. There it is. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to do it slowly. Not that you need it slowly. 2x squared. Cube. Plus x squared. Cube. I missed that one. Then I'm not. Cube. Like that. Yeah. Crazy, huh? So that will.
Oh,
That's great. It's a brain. All right. Guys are wanting it.
Wow.
Ready, set.